Hello everyone, a warm good morning to all of you. Would like to welcome to all to our this session of YouTube channel, and I hope you all are good, fit, fine, and well. So, with the continuation of international relation, I would like to start our today discussion with respect to India and Russia relation. Yes, guys. So our major focus will be for the examination of SSB lectures, and before starting the topic would like to provide the objective of the today's session. The first thing we will understand how to approach the question of international relation, and followed by the second thing, we will need to understand the previous year questions along with the expected question in our upcoming examination. As you know that in last 2 night I have a message. Okay, I have a message to the SSB regarding the examination date, and I believe they will soon develop any kind of update regarding this, and I will let you know in my class. Okay, guys. So still that you need to stay with our class. Okay. Then third thing, it will help to have an in-depth knowledge regarding India and Russia for the exam point of view. And uh, and as you know that first we discuss the few of the question, then we start our the topic revision. So similarly, here is the first question in front of you. Which with which country has India signed a long-term agreement for the Sukhoi SAU 30 MKI combat aircraft fleet? Obviously, the answer has been uh, leak. Okay, and the option D, the Russia is the country. Okay, India has signed with Russia the long-term agreement for the Sukhoi Su 30 MKI combat aircraft field. Okay, so you need to just remember Sukhoi 30 MKI. Okay, 30 MKI combat aircraft fleet. Okay, with Russia. So it is one of the previous question of UGC net, and to for the analytical purpose I have added this thing in our note. Then next question, India signed a treaty of peace and friendship with which country in August 1971? Okay, so treaty of peace and friendship in August 1971, India signed with which country? So the correct answer of this question, as we all know, that option A, that Russia. So with Russia, India uh, uh, signed a treaty of peace and friendship in 1971. Okay, in August 1971, India signed a treaty of peace and friendship with Russia. So it's a one of the PYQ of uh, SSB lecture. So you need to remember the month with date year. Okay, so year with month, because it's very important. Then next question, glasnost and perestroika related to which country? So one the two public policy related to which country? So it's an important concept, and the answer of this question is option A, that glasnost and perestroika. And you also need to know the glasnost and perestroika, the concept is coined by whom. Okay, okay, so you also need to remember the name, that is how Mikhail Gorbachev. Okay, so Mikhail Gorbachev, the general secretary of Russia, who provided the concept glasnost and perestroika in 1985. Okay, guys, so in 1985, Mikhail Gorbachev provided the concept glasnost and perestroika. So it's very important. So this is how we have discussed the three important questions, and you can see here the explanation. General Secretary Mikhail Gorbachev introduced in 1985 the glasnost and perestroika. Glasnost means transparency in policy reform. Okay, that any kind of policy, any kind of scheme, okay, to make or to establish the transparency in the policy, that is a glasnost. And perestroika, the political reform. Okay, guys, so political, in term of political reform. Okay, like providing the liberty to the people, establishing the freedom of the press. Okay, so freedom of the press, political liberty, these are the political reform perestroika. And glasnost, the transparency in the field of policy reform. Okay, so these two concepts related to the Mikhail Gorbachev of General Secretary of Russia, who introduced in 1985. Okay guys, then another question, that choose incorrect pair. 2000 India Russia strategic partnerships, 2003 India Russia INDRA military exercise naval base, and option 3 2010 special and privileged strategic partnerships, and 2017 2+2 dialogue. Okay, so you need to find the incorrect one regarding the India and Russia relationship. So obviously the correct answer, the 2+2 dialogue. The answer basically India and Russia, a ministerial dialogue was held in 2021. Okay, in which year the 2+2 dialogue was held between India and Russia? That is how 2021 India and Russia 2+2 ministerial dialogue. Okay guys, so similarly we have to also remember the few of important factual information with respect to India and Russia relations. Okay, so and another question before you, I don't know. Okay, so who is taken part in 2+2 ministerial dialogue? So who is the candidate in the 2+2 dialogue ministerial 2+2 ministerial dialogue? Option A, foreign minister and defense minister. Option B, 2, finance minister and defense minister. Option 3, defense minister and finance minister. Option 4, prime minister and home ministry. So the answer of this question is foreign minister and the defense minister. The 2+2 ministerial dialogue, option A is the correct answer. Hope you able to understand. So here the correct answer is option A, the 2+2 dialogue, the foreign minister and the defense minister. So in this way we need to remember the few of the important factual, and here I have included the important India and Russia bilateral relation factual information that is very important from the exam point of view. And before that there is one of the current affair that you need to remember, that Honorable PM Narendra Modi visited to Russia on July 2024 for the 22 India Russia annual summit. Okay, so for the 22 India Russia annual summit, Prime Minister has visited to the Russian on July 2024. Okay, one of the important current affair, and they signed okay, in this meeting they signed 100 billion trade by 2030. Okay, by the year till 2030, and they aim to achieve the 100 billion trade. Okay, so it is very important development with respect to India and the Russia bilateral relations. Okay, India Russia bilateral relation, they have a aim to achieve the 100 billion trade by 2030. Okay guys, so let's start in similar line the different factual information with respect to India and Russia. So Treaty of the Peace and Friendship, India and Russia, they have signed 1971, August 1971. Okay, so in on August 1971 India and Russia have signed a Treaty of Peace and Friendship. Okay, Treaty of Peace and Friendships. In 1985, Mikhail Gorbachev introduced the glasnost and perestroika. So, glasnost and perestroika introduced by whom? Mikhail Gorbachev in 1985. Okay, and next is the strategic partnership agreement 2000s. Okay, in 2000 India and Russia signed the strategic partnerships. What is the strategic partnerships? Now they will cooperate in terms of not only economic integration but also security, defense purpose, and also energy. Okay, then related to the different thing, energy, oil, security, defense, armament, nuclear agreement, different thing. Okay, so that is how the strategic partnerships. Okay, so in 2000 India Russia signed the strategic partnerships. In 2003 India Russia introduced a military exercise, that is how Indra, a naval base. Okay, a naval base Indra military exercise was signed between the India and Russia in which year? 2003. In 2003 they have signed Indra military exercise. In 2010 they have signed the special and privileged strategic partnerships. Okay, it is not very much important, but you need to remember in 2017 they signed the Indra tri service. Tri service means it is include your army level, it is include your naval, it is include your aircraft, it is include your air force. So there are the three level army force, that is how the battalion, that army, naval and air force, that is how Indra tri service they signed in 2017. Okay, but in 2003 they signed the basically India and Indra military exercise, that is how naval, only naval 2003, but 2017 the tri service. Okay, then in 2021 they have signed the 2+2 ministerial dialogue, very important for the upcoming examination. The 2+2 dialogues, who is the participant in the 2+2 dialogue? Foreign ministry and defense ministry. Okay guys, defense ministry and foreign ministry. Okay, so in which your 2+2 dialogue, ministerial dialogue was signed between India and Russia, then your answer is would be the 2021. Okay guys, 2021. Okay, will you forgot? No. Okay, will you forgot? No. Okay, then other initiative with Russia, they have INSTC, the International North South Transport Corridor, then S400 Trump, CAMOP 226, development Far East Russia. So these are the other development in respect to India and Russia. Okay guys, so this is your all about the India and Russia, which is crucial for your upcoming examination, and I have touched every aspect, each and every aspect of India and Russia. Now I hope this thing is very much clear to my dear student, and if you have any doubt regarding the any factual information, or you feel it's correct or incorrect, you can message me. Okay guys, so this is all about from my side for the topic of India and Russia. I hope it found very fit and interesting. If you like my effort, do subscribe, and I as you know, I have always said that please share with your friend, that to help to achieve me to the 500 subscriber. Your each and everyone's one share or single self will save to my effort to achieve the 500 subscriber. So this is all about from mindset, and thank you everyone for being part of this lesson. If you like this channel or this class, please press the like button, then I can understand the most of people if like, then I can understand yes, the video is going to very helpful. Thank you guys, have a nice day.